In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use eSignature tools for school and permission forms. If you've ever struggled with getting signatures for important school forms, this is the solution you've been looking for. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these tools work, saving you time and effort. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you the software I recommend for this task, plus give you an exclusive free trial link in the description below. Let's dive in. First, start by choosing the right eSignature software for your needs. There are many options out there, but for this tutorial, we'll be using a software that's perfect for school and permission forms. The great thing about this software is that it's easy to use, secure, and trusted by schools for handling permission slips and other documents that require signatures. Once you've picked the software, you'll need to upload the school or permission form. Usually, this is done by simply dragging the file into the upload area on the software's dashboard. Most platforms support common file types like PDF, Word, and even image files, so you can use whichever format you have. After uploading the form, you'll move on to setting up the signature fields. This is the most important step. You'll need to place a designated spot where the signer will put their signature. It's simple. Just drag and drop the signature field to the appropriate place on the form. Now, let's talk about adding recipients. In most eSignature tools, you'll enter the email addresses of the people who need to sign the form. You can usually add multiple recipients if needed, which is great for cases where you need both a parent and a guardian's signature. Some software even lets you send reminders, so you never have to worry about following up manually. Once everything is set up, hit the send button, and your recipients will receive an email with a link to sign the form electronically. The software will guide them through the signing process, which typically takes only a few minutes. Once they've signed, you'll receive a notification and have immediate access to the signed document. No need to wait for anything to be physically delivered or mailed back. And here's the best part. eSignature tools are not only faster and more efficient than traditional paper forms, they're also environmentally friendly. No more printing, no more wasting paper. Everything is done digitally, and the form is stored securely online, accessible whenever you need it. Before we wrap up, remember that I highly recommend using this software for your school and permission forms. It's quick, secure, and hassle-free. And as a special bonus for watching this video, you'll get an exclusive free trial in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check it out and follow along with the tutorial. Key takeaway: eSignature tools are a game changer for handling school and permission forms. They save you time, reduce paper waste, and are incredibly simple to use. Start by uploading your form, setting up signature fields, and sending it to your recipients. Don't forget to check out the free trial in the description below to make your life even easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that free trial. It's only available here on my channel.